You have a car, and it's probably pretty nice. So here's my recommendations to make sure when you drive safe. Bodily injury, property damage. Yes, this is insurance jargon. Here's my simple English explanation. When you drive your car and you get in an accident and someone is badly hurt, and when you're at fault and you're responsible for their medical bills and lawsuits, which is exactly why I recommend $250,000 for harm to one person, $500,000 for 2 or more people, and $100,000 for their property. Did you know the state limits only pay the first $30,000 for one, $60,000 for 2, and $25,000 for personal property, leaving you to pay whatever insurance does not? You live and drive in Texas and share the road with a legendary number of uninsured drivers. Even more carry only the state limits. And when these drivers hurt you without insurance, it's you who pays out of pocket. With uninsured policy, we pay what they owe you. Uninsured motorist property damage. This coverage simply needs to be enough to cover your car when it's ruined by one of these uninsured drivers. Medical/PIP. This is jargon for incidental no-fault medical coverage. This small amount of coverage has no deductible and typically pays for any injuries getting in or out or driving your car. The collision deductible covers damage to your car. In the event you wreck your car and it's your fault, you'll pay your deductible and we'll cover the rest. Comprehensive is pretty much everything else. It pays to repair or replace your car after hail damage, theft, vandalism, etc. Other coverages I recommend, of course, roadside assistance for flat tires, lock keys in cars, jump starts, and of course tow trucks. They're prepaid and they come out straight away, so no need for reimbursement. And if you don't have an extra car, I do recommend rental coverage. It's probably included in your quote. Another thing you might note is glass replacement. You know, those little chips and cracks you get in your windshield. The chips are free if they can be repaired. And if you get a big crack in your windshield, please call me. We get that at cost, so you won't have to go through your insurance at all. I'm glad we had this time together. And again, aren't you glad that we talked in simple English instead of insurance jargon?